What is going on, guys? So back at it here again at Metro Performance. So we're gonna be kicking off 2021 with hopefully making peak power on the Mustang. So today I came back here. Hopefully we got all the bugs sorted out. So previously you probably saw that we were having regulator issues. The gauge was bad for the fuel pressure regulator. Then my pump wasn't keeping up, and we were just having all sorts of issues. So I went through the whole fuel system, redid everything, and even got the injectors cleaned, and saw that even the injectors needed to be cleaned, even with them only being roughly a year old. So everything got refreshened up, and I brought it back here to Metro. I'm hoping to make some really good power. Every time I did something, like either the regulator, that was a noticeable and even proven 40 horsepower gain with just a regulator. The pump, once I swapped that out, I also did notice a little bit more of a power gain. I think it's just because the engine was demanding the fuel and the pump just was not keeping up. It's usually not much of a performance mod unless your engine needs a bigger pump. And then also when I got my injectors cleaned and the fuel filter cleaned, that was also like a small, like little bit of a noticeable gain there. So hopefully today that we can hit that 500 wheel mark. I'm really, staying positive and seeing how the car does. This is our third time back at the dyno, so hopefully we can get it finished up and get out of Sean's hair and start taking this car out racing. So because I don't really want to like be doing any roll races or anything like that until the car's fully tuned. I do kind of like mess around a little bit on the highway, or like not on the highway but at the track, but I try not to push the car too much just because it's not 100% tuned. Every time it gets tuned by Sean, he does leave it at a safe area so I can kind of still mess with the car, still drive it and not hurt anything. He does limit power a lot, but we have yet to really be able to get a chance to mess with the cams and really start feeling the power, and the car's already fast. So I'm stoked to see how it comes out once the engine's at peak performance. So I'm gonna go ahead, wait for Sean here for a couple more minutes and get everything loaded up on the dyno and get it all set. So see you guys in a sec. Well, somebody decided to show up in style. Damn!
It's not mine. Not mine.
Sadly. Tuning this one too?
Oh, I've already done it. I needed to... He didn't leave it with me overnight, so I needed to work on cold starts.
Yeah.
But the whole thing, like, he went and got it wrapped, and right after the wrap job, the car wouldn't start at all.
What the
I'm
hell?
like, oh, shit. Well, fucker jumped timing.
Damn.
The guy said they never drove the car. Like, he drove it there, and then went to pick it up, all of a sudden cam timing skipped. So I think they put it in gear and fucking pushed it one way, and so either reverse and pushed it forward, or put it in first and push it backwards, and it lost tension on the tensioner. Skipped cam timing by 2 degrees, or a couple degrees actually.
Gee. That's not good. No bent valves?
No, it's fine.
Oh, that's good.
Because you never drove it. You couldn't even drive it. Like, it would start, and then you'd have to keep it full wide open throttle to get the idle.
Damn. That's wild.
But no, it drives fine. So it gets some power good. It actually gets some overboost issues, so I don't want 40 pounds.
I take it he's probably running E85.
Yeah, well,
with
flex. He's running full flex.
Oh, full flex. Oh,
Yeah,
hell yeah.
it's on a whole pack.
Oh, right on.
So that's where I was like, I gotta look at full starts, hot start.
Checking all this crazy shit out.
You need this.
Oh, a fresh roll of vacuum plugs. Nice. Just a fun 500 and something wheel horsepower fucking Subi. That only weighs, what would these weigh, like 2,800 pounds?
This one I think is like 32, 31, 3,100 pounds.
It's almost like the Mustang,
Mm-hmm.
but all-wheel drive. Probably handles way better.
It might, but like this kid's got like the basic stuff on it. Like it is a basic car.
Shit is wild. That nice CNC'd aluminum intake. Pretty badass. Hey, should this hose be crushed like this?
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, you know, just a Subaru, you know, it's whatever.
It's fine.
Is that the head gasket delete kit? Alright, well, put a fresh vacuum plug on this thing, because I don't know what happened to mine. Somehow the car still runs and idles just fine, even with that. You know, there's just a giant gaping hole right there. But, alright, well, that'll do for today. I'm gonna get on my phone right now and actually order the correct one for it, so I don't have to deal with this shit anymore. But I think that should be fine. Cool. For this thing making 520 wheel, this thing is quiet. Like there's no crazy turbo spool, no nothing. See if you can hear the turbo over here. Yeah, nothing. That's wild. That's really nice. And of course, we gotta roll on those Ventus fucking tires. Let's make 500 wheel horsepower and put like 600 tread tires.
Yeah, dude, she's pretty tame.
Yeah. Fucking sounds smooth, dude. This would be like, honestly, like a badass fucking daily if it got decent gas mileage. Like decently quiet.
It's gonna. The only thing that's gonna kill it is because it's got fucking big cams.
Even with big cams, and he's missing a lug, but
He's missing the lugs on both sides.
oh, that's a common Subi thing, no?
Fucking broken lugs.
Yeah.
Yeah, this dude fucking he needs extended. He needs to get extended lugs on it. Because this thing makes enough to where it's gonna shear him if he launches it. And the kid is going to launch it because he's a fucking kid.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
340 and 366. So pretty much at like 499 or 492 for a Dyno Jet. Not bad. The graph looks really smooth. Before I was like, oh, fucking weird. It was all goofy, and then it would just die up top. But it looks like it's really carrying out all the way to 77. So I guess that's probably where I should be shifting at now.
Well, it's just from the wheel. I have it set up per wheel. So I'm taking it about to 78, 79.
Okay.
And that's about it.
Sick.
Will you find me? Hope you find me.